Okay guys, today I'm gonna let you know how you can use Firebase storage section for storing files, pictures, videos, whatever you want, you can just easily save there. So it's really easy to use. I think you have already made a web app. If you haven't, you can just go back to my previous tutorials of Firebase. There you can see. So just click on web app and whatever app you are using, like a web app or whatever. Basically, the web app only would be using because you came here for Python only. So yeah, click on oh, I haven't told you, click on apps and sorry, yeah, click on setting, then go here and yeah, just click on config and copy this all of it because you have to configure it with your Python. So yeah, you have to configure it. Let me just see one thing. Okay, yeah. So and one thing more, come to the storage setting now because basically you're gonna use storage. Come to rules and see here, like I have already edited it. Here must be written if null, if authentication is not equals to null. So just remove it and just put a semicolon here, like I have done just a semicolon here and remove all the line. And now just come to code. So I will import Firebase. You can use install it pip install Firebase. It's really easy. And the file you have and the configure key that I have told you to copy, like I have already made it. Just copy and paste it here with the uh, like uh, key value because that doesn't have. Yeah, okay, yeah, actually someone was there. So yeah, so basically yeah, you can just simply copy it. Now it's configured. Now we will do Firebase is equals to Firebase dot initialize underscore app config, because we are telling to initialize config app and telling to we'll use storage is equal to Firebase dot storage. And yeah, now we are totally done. Now suppose we want to insert a picture, so we'll say storage dot child. Like child is like where you want to like uh name. You can just say here, you can just I will tell you what else you can do, like try dot jpeg. Yeah. Suppose you want to save a pic with the name try.jpeg in that cloud. I'll tell you how to make folders and all, and put which file you wanna full where it is. So I have this is my Firebase file, what I'm telling you, and this is my pic. You can just see it's like a Raspberry Pi board pic. So I'll just copy it. It's a JPEG. So I'll just say whatever your destination is, you can just put a slash and write there and JPEG. So I'm telling to save this pig as try.jpg, and I'll just save it and run it. Python fire bases.py running. Okay, it's done. Let's just go there and watch it. So wait, make sure to make that rules. See, This is the pic what I have to, and it's here. You can see, and you can like, and suppose you want to download it. Now you will just let me just comment it and copy it because that's also done. And I'll just say download, and now the file name is try.jpg, and just copy and paste it here because now file name is try.jpg. And now I'll just, here I will change the file name with downloaded. Okay, now it will download the same pic because I have mentioned the name of the same pic. Now just run it. See, it's so easy now. It's done. Yeah, see, now it's hmm, folder. I sorry. Actually, I have to write the file name here only, like which file I want to download. Yeah, and here I have to write downloaded. I just made a switch. Actually, here you have to write just make it clear like this section is for storage, cloud storage, and this is for your uh, local path. So like in cloud, the file name is try, and I want to download it with the name downloaded. Now just save and run it. Basically, this time it will hopefully. Let's see. Yeah, now just see it. It is downloaded.jpg, the same pic, and it's also the here also the same pic. It's so easy. Now suppose you want to like let me just comment. Suppose you want to make a directory there, like these are the directory because like images inside these and the directory, and you want to make a directory, so you just have to do like uh, directory, whatever directory name you want to make, and how much directory you want to make doesn't make sense, like how much you want to make. Now just save it, and it will just down make a directory and save it there. Okay, it's done. Now just refresh it because we don't have a directory name directory. Oh, it's taking so much time. My system is slow, I think so. Now just see in directory, we got that pic. So like you can just now do around other things like how, and same thing for here also, like for like if you want to download from the storage, just you will write like directory slash like the file where it is present, and with the name of the file in which you will download. Like this is the whole thing, how it works, and I think it's really easy. So yeah, if you like it, if it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe because I'm really working hard. So thank you.